Hello students, to continue the online classes, today I have discussed the next new chapter as a triangle. So you know very well, triangle means the sides, the triangles. Triangles means a closed figure bounded by the three line segment, three angles, and three vertices. You know very well, but it is very remarkable representation is that the vertex is always represented as the capital letter of the alphabets. If you represent as a small letter, that the represent the length of the sides or the representation of the side. You just represent as the A means the BC is also represent as A means the a small letter are responsible. If you just written as the small letter of alphabet, that represent as the length of the line segment or represent the sides. So it is very important that you just represent the vertex as a capital letter only, and angle we represent always all three vertices. Means ABC means ABC. The angle B, and in a short form we also represent as the angle B. But in a any situations you have just facing the different type of the problems, because that if in that case you just say that sir in your mind that angle, so it is sir angle B is equal to 59 degree. In that cases, why we represent that side only? Why that side? Why not? Angle B is equal to. So it is a very important if we write down the all three vertices. So no any confusion. So we represent the which angle. Always write the three vertices in a geometry. It is very important and the very useful. Which sides will be the, or which angle will be the saying the equals or the, you know very well. So triangle, how many types of triangle? You know very well. On the base, you just classify the triangles on the basis of sides or the angle. If we classify as the sides, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. On the basis of angles, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and the one triangle is the combination of the sides and the angles. We also written at the right angle isosceles triangle. Such type of the figure is such type of the triangle which the form as a right angle, but the two non-hypotenuse sides may be the equal. So such type of the triangle are called the right angle isosceles triangle. So today in this chapters we discuss the how to two figure your two triangles are congruent. So the congruency means what? Congruency means just two objects just overlap to each other if it is not totally filled to each other, then we say that the both the shape or the figure have the congruence. If one figure to overlap that, if the one figure is covered, but if the another figure to cover that not totally cover, so in that cases both the shapes are not congruent. So in the congruency it is very necessary to both the figure have the same, exactly same, not just as the same, exactly same means is the dimension is always equal. So in that cases we say that the both the shape are the congruent. So in triangle, how to two triangles are the congruent? In that chapter only the discuss about the how to two triangles be congruent. So first of all we just discuss that ki how to make a triangle. What the category to making a triangle. So first of all, if three sides are given, if three sides we were given, that you construct a triangle. But here is one condition. If three sides are given, then first of all you check it. Condition is that, the simple note that sum of two sides be greater than third side. If three sides are given, in that cases if you anyone have the given the three sides and say that the triangle will be formed or not. So in that cases we first of all we check that the sum of the all sets of the number, जैसे 3 4 7, तो 7 plus 3 is greater than 4, 7 plus 4 is greater than 3, but 4 plus 3 is equals to the 7. It is not greater than 7. So in that cases we cannot form a triangle. So not only the just do hurry, we have to check the number, the 7 plus 3 is greater than 4 or 7 plus 4 is greater than 3. So make the triangle. No, we just say, check all the possibilities. All the two sides is greater than third sides. If yes, in that cases will be forms the triangle. So what the possibility, why not you just construct a triangle, you just seen that. We take 7 centimeter, just AB. Then after we take 3 centimeter arc. So we measure the compass on the scale and draw 3 centimeter arc. Next, from B point we take 4.4 centimeter arc. That is the 4 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. It just represent only the radius, because we taking an arc, have the all the distance, have the every point from that point is equal, that is called the radius. So how to, what the possibility? No triangles are formed because the 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter not to meet outside of the line. So in that cases all the 3 points lie on the same line segment. So that is the called the ACB. All points lie on the same line segment. That's all the are called the collinear points. More than 2 points lie on the same line segment is called the collinear point. If that cases cannot be form the triangle, because in a triangle one point is lied outside of the line segment, and that cases the triangle will be formed. The first cases are, if 3 sides are given, means side, side, side. Thus category is called the SSS property. Means ki the one, all the sides of the one triangle are exactly equals to the other triangles. So both the triangles are congruent to each other. Just like 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, then also equal to the 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Then no need, so you just 5, also 5. Sir, yes 6, you will write on the 7, 7 then 6. So because the one triangle, say we also draw that. This is suppose one right angle triangle, I will just draw A, B, C, 3, 4, 5. We also draw that same in so such type of the situation have the here, because we same will be the change only, but the dimension cannot be the change. All the dimension have the equal to each other. So we say that if the 3 sides of one triangle are equals to the 3 sides of the other triangle, so the both the triangles are congruent to each other. But In a simple way we say that dimension will be every anything, but it is the very necessary that if you just construct a triangle, the sum of the two side is greater than third side. If condition is applied, then the triangle will be the form. Another condition is that if two side and one including angle be given. Condition is that two sides, one sides you take the AB as the 7 centimeter. Either be A or B. If angle is known, then make a triangle. Any angles. You just say that the 60 degree. Very simple. First cut will be the 60 degree. So condition is that the angle B is equal to 60 degree, AB is equal to 7 centimeter, and either be, if we say that BC is equal to 5 centimeter, then take AB at B at 60 degree and BC will be the 5 centimeter. C. Then join the including angle. If anyone says AB is equal to 7 centimeter, angle C is equal to 60 degree, or BC is equal to 5 centimeter. We given that the two sides and one angle. Where also the two sides and one angle, but what the possibility that type of the triangle be formed or not? You just take, you draw BC 5 centimeter, C is the 60 degree. Then AB means base say 7 centimeter. You draw. If the question is that the 160 degree, in that 160 is the more than, you just 160 degree. In that cases, the figure will be changed. If you just draw the, it is not possible to the touches. So in that cases may or may not be form a triangle, but in that cases if the two sides and including angles are given, in that cases the triangles will be the form. So it is called the side angle side. Two sides are including angle, then we form a triangle. Next, if one side two angles and one side, one including side. Means A, B. If we 30 degree or we make the 120 degree. So we just draw that in a far point that the meet at a point, because 120 plus 30 is called the 150, and we also not more than, because you just draw 30 degree at point C. Cos also make the 30. So in a triangle, the sum of the all three interior angles will be the 180 degree. Up in that cases, I have given that CAB equals to 30 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Anyone's given that angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Angle CA or CBA is equal to 120 degree, or AB is equal to 5 centimeter. In that cases, you just see that ACB not possible. CBA is equal to, or ABC is equal to 120 degree. Then where we just draw the angle C. So in that cases, we just find angle CAB, because we need the angle A. So is equal to 180 minus 120 plus 30. So 180 minus 150 बराबर 30 degree. So we find the angle A 30 degree, 60, then half 30, then meet the at C. We also measure that angle are the 30 degree without construction, because the sum of the all three angles will be the only and only the 180, not more than and less than 180. So in that cases, you just two angles, that's the 120 and 30. So that angle are also the 30 degree. If not measure the exact, means you just some error to making the triangle or angle. In measure drawing the angles. If the measurement is both the two angles are 120 and 30, so the third angle are the always 30. So next, the two angles, any two angles are given, then we, in that cases we also written that the ASA or AAS. AAS means in that cases if B and C are given, and so you say that the angle side angle, if that side angles are given, in say that the if any two angles are given and one sides are here, so we also say that the angle side, because the sum of the all three angles will be the 180 degree. If the two angles are given, then we also find the third angle. So we just, you will find out or not, so we know very well if the two angles are equal, the third angles are also equal. So you also written that the either be the AAS or ASA. ASA in that cases when the both two angles and the including sides are given. If two angles including the sides, then we written that ASA. If the ones two angles but sides will not be included, in that cases we written that AAS. It is the very remarkable conditions कि if two angle including sides, then we say that ASA. If two angle but sides will be not be including, means including means what? Sides and side in inside, that's the including means सिर्फ जुड़ा हुआ. Not including, in that cases we written that AAS. But slightly that difference is if the finding that angle are from the given sides or not. If the angles are formed on the given sides, we say that ASA. If side will be not, the angles cannot be formed on the given sides, so we say that AAS. Today the next criteria in right angle triangle. How to possible to make a right angle triangle? So first of all, one sides be given, just BC, one right angle and hypotenuse. So if the two triangles whose the sides right angle and hypotenuse are given, then we make a right angle triangle. So that condition is called the RHS, not the right hand side, because in general terms RHS means have the right hand side, but in that here the right angle, hypotenuse or one side, or it is very clear that opposite of the 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. Both the angles, both the sides, either be B or P, also be P or B. If angle will be given that angle C, in that case BC will be the B and AB be the perpendicular. If angle A are discussed, so in that cases AB is the base and BC will be the perpendicular. It is basic all the criteria of the congruency of the triangle. You just one example to discuss. Question is that A, B, C, D be a right rectangle. Then congruent the triangle ABC and AD and triangle ADC by all possible conditions. One have example that you just simple that given the one rectangle ABCD and say that we just so how many conditions or how the possible conditions to congruent the both the triangle. So it is the rectangle means that's represent means if the sides will be equal, so the short form to representation is that if means one line one line means AD equal to BC, double line represent as the AB equals to CD. If the third line, if the third type of the line are given, we say that the third sides are also equal. That is, and we also written that is that form. That shortcut representation are so that the that line or that line are the parallel. That line and that line. It is not necessary so the larger side has the represented the double dot or double arrow. No, that's the difference. If AB, BC are equal and parallel, AB and CD are also if with the single line. In that cases, if you say if such type of representation have the same single line, single arrow, single line, single arrow, single line, single arrow, single line, single arrow, means in that cases the all the sides are the equal and parallel. Such line and such line and parallel, such line and such line and parallel. So that is the not possible. So you just representation of the arrow sign at the different. So AD is BC are only the parallel, AB and CD are parallel. AB and AD is not possible to the parallel, but sides may be the equal in a square or in the rhombus. So in that cases you just uses all the single dot line or the double line because the both the sides all the sides are equal, but in that cases all the sides are not equal, so opposite sides are equal, so you just represent at the different lines, parallel sides and parallel side. So it is the only the representation to understand that. So what is the possibility or how to solve that? So first of all, in triangle all the sides are equal. First condition as a s s s में a b equals to c d, a d equal to b d b c and a c common. Second conditions a b equal to c d, angle ABC is equal to angle ADC बराबर 90 डिग्री and BC is equal to 80. That is the side angle side. If the parallel, so alternate angles are equal. So we also say that AB equals to CD, angle CAB equals to angle ACD or angle ABC is equal to angle ADC बराबर 90 डिग्री. Alternate interior angle. So that is the SAS. AB is equal to CD side, angle CBA or equals to ADC बराबर right angle and ACB hypotenuse. So that is the RHS. So in a one figure, all the category or conditions are applied to component it. So the next class is we just discuss the uh, questions or example on that basis of the congruency. Thank you.